Good morning, students. Welcome to GK class. And today's topic for GK is Sample Test Paper 1. This sample test paper includes Unit 1 to 5. Let's have some revision with some question answer, chapter including 1 to 5. Question number 1 is, this animal builds dam in the rivers and lakes. The answer is beaver. Second question is, the liver produces a liquid that is known as bile. Question number 3 is, highest battlefield is Siachen Glacier. Question number 4 is, it is a main control and coordination center of learning, memory, intelligence and reasoning. The answer is brain. He wrote the magic finger, and the answer is Roald Dahl. Now next is, answer the following question. Question number 1 is, in which year was the first Earth Day celebrated? It was celebrated in 1970. Reptile skin is covered with which thing? The answer is scales. In which age is known as the era of reptiles? The age which is known as era of reptile is Mesozoic era. Then next question is, in which state is Kovalam beach located? The answer is Tamil Nadu. Next question, which president of India became the chief minister of Punjab and later became the Union Home Minister? He is Gyani Jail Singh. Come to the next question, that is, choose the correct answer from the box. The first is, Dash became the first chief minister of Andhra Pradesh, and the answer is Neelam Sanjeeva Reddy. Second is, Dash is celebrated in Maharashtra. The answer is Ganpati Utsav. Dash is the longest beach in Chennai. Answer is Marina Beach. Then, Dash is one of the most internet using country in the world. The answer is China. Dash receives environmental information. The answer is weather satellite. This bug named Dash roams the land sucking the fluid from any vegetation, and the answer is stink bug. Now let's move on to the next page, and next question is, match the column A against the column B with the right answer. And the first one is, one who leads the army. The answer is General. Second is Dorothy Wall, and the answer is Blinky Bill. The word dacoit. Third one is loot. Fourth one, father of atomic energy program is Shanti Swarup Bhatnagar. Then candle, paraffin wax. Then almond is a dry fruit. Now next question is, you have to write whether the statement is true or false. The first statement is, we should listen to our elders. This is true. Ashoka was the son of Chandragupta. It is false. Gujia, a popular dish, is made during Holi. It's true. Then Sundar Lal Bahuguna is a Gadwali environmentalist. This is true. Then Ajim Premji is a chairman of Wipro Limited. True. And printer is an input device. That is false. Now last question is, you have to identify the pictures and name the following. The first one is, he is Devi Prasad Sethi. Second is Gol Gumbaj. Third is Saint Cathedral. Fourth is Meetha Chawal. Fifth is J.K. Rowling. Then the last one is Shakkari Pongal. It's Shakkari Pongal. Now that's all in this chapter. Thank you.